Hello children, welcome back. I am now dealing with 6th class maths, that is practical geometry. Earlier I have done about the line segments and how they have to be drawn, and different parts of the line segments when they have given, how you can equalize them, and all we have discussed. Now we are going to talk about circles. So the question here is, draw a circle of 3.7 centimeters radius. Since it is whiteboard and it is very slippery, with the help of the compass, I have drawn it, but I can't show you because when I am doing it, it is slippery. I took a long time to construct, so I have done it. Now I'll be telling you what is actually a circle. What is a circle, children? A circle is a closed figure, which is, if you want to write the definition of a circle is a closed figure which is at equidistant from a single point called center. See, each and every point of this circle will be at equidistance from the center. Let me call it as O. This is the center. From here, if you take a scale and measure it, 3.7 centimeters as radius, he said, no? So from here to here, at any point, if you see, it is 3.7 centimeters only. Only then you are going to get a circle. Otherwise, you will be getting a crooked figure. Okay, so let me talk about what is radius. What is radius? Suppose you have taken a point P here and you have joined O and P. If you join O and P, OP is the radius. What is the radius? The distance between the center of a circle and any point on the circle. That is called as radius. Any point, you can take P here, you can take P here, anyway. But you will be getting the distance as same, and that is called as radius. These two nomenclatures are the names which you should understand perfectly well about the circle, children. After having this knowledge, now we will go to construction of a circle. Let me write the steps of the circle, how it has to be constructed. What you need to do is, first point, locate a point O, which is the center of the circle. So first what you have to do, you have to locate a point O. So this is the point which I have located O. Then radius is 3.7. So radius is 3.7 means what you have to do, this is compass. You have to open it up to what? Up to 3.7 centimeters. Means keep this needle. Keep this needle upon the zero of the scale and pull it like this till this edge of the pencil touches 3.7 centimeters. Then this becomes the radius of 3.7 centimeters. So what the next step is, open the compass. Open the compass to 3.7 centimeters. So up to that you have to open the compass. Then what you have to do, this needle, or you call it as a pointer, you have to keep this pointer on O. Third point is, keep the pointer on O. And then what you need to do after keeping this pointer on O, what you need to do, children, after keeping this at O, what you have to do is, you have to rotate it. Rotate it around the O like this. So what you have to do, next point, rotate the compass around O. When you rotate it around O, the figure formed is a circle with radius 3.7 centimeters. So this is how you need to do the construction, children, for this circle. This is only an introductory part. For every circle you need not to do this, children. It is not required to do all this. This is only an introductory part which I am explaining you, so that you will come to know what is a circle, what is the center, what is the radius of the circle. These are all the elements of a circle. The elements of a circle is center, radius. Okay, you have afterwards various problems you will be getting about how to find the circumference and how to find the area and all. In other classes you will be learning about it, but now you should have a thorough knowledge about the circle. So this is the construction, please note it down. Now the exercise 13.2, first one is, construct a circle with the center M and radius sorry children, radius 4 centimeters. So this construction is same as that of the earlier construction, but the difference is, earlier I have taken center O, so I should convert it into M. See children, very easily you can do this construction. I'm just rubbing some points and it is your construction you are getting. So for this, means what you have to do, locate a point M, same steps, children. So let me explain you with the help of the steps. First point is, locate a point M, which is the center of the circle. Next, open the compass to, earlier we have written 3.7 centimeters. Now you have to write 4 centimeters. And keep the pointer on M. Instead of O, you keep M. Rotate the compass around. Instead of O, you write M. The figure so formed is a circle of radius 4 centimeters. See, minute changes have made the construction totally. So I hope I am clear, children. What you have to do? You have to first locate a point M and you have to stretch your compass. You have to open your compass up to 4 centimeters, and this pointer should be kept at M, and you have to rotate the compass around it, so that you will be getting a circle of radius 4 centimeters. So this is the construction of first problem, children. Note it down. Second problem is, you have to construct a circle with center X center should be x. So this is x. And diameter 10 centimeters. What is a diameter? First let us see. Suppose this is a circle and this is the center x. Diameter is this. AB is the diameter 10 centimeters. But what is this diameter, children? See, AX is a radius and XB is radius and AB is 10 centimeters. How are you getting AB? With AX plus BX. But we know that AX, and you can write again AX because BX is equal to AX. Yes or no? BX and AX, what are they? They are the radii. Radius is singular. See, radius is singular. Is singular word, means when you are talking about radius, only one radius, you will say singular. Radii. It is plural. See, I am going to talk about two radii. This is one radius, this is one radius. Put together two radii. So both of them are radii. So I have to add. So how much you are getting? 2ax. So we know that 2ax is equal to ab. That means 2ax is equal to 10 centimeters. Diameter is 10 centimeters. This AB is called diameter. AB is the diameter. So 2AX means what is AX? 10 by 2, that is 5 centimeters. So AX is 5 centimeters. So this is 5, this is 5. So what is the radius? Radius is equal to 5 centimeters. This whole part is called as analysis, children. You are analyzing the problem, because without analysis you cannot do the construction. So what is the analysis part of this? You have drawn a circle and a diameter with center x. And diameter means what? See, this is a combination of AX and BX. But BX and AX are equal. Why? This is radius. They both of them are called radii. They are radii. Radius is singular, radii is plural. So I have taken them as AX plus AX, 2AX. 2AX is equal to AB. So AX is equal to 5 centimeters. So that means what? Let me write this as A. This is 5 centimeters. If you extend it, see, if I draw a line like this, extend it, this is B. So that is 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Total it is 10 centimeters is the radius, diameter. 10 centimeters is the diameter. So even if they have given diameter, to construct the circle, you need to find out what is its radius. After finding out the radius, steps and the construction is same. So locate a point. What is this center? They have given x, which is the center of the circle. Open the compass up to now, what we have found? 5 centimeters, because the radius is 5 centimeters. And keep the point on x, pointer on x. Rotate the pointer, rotate the compass around x. If you rotate the compass around x, the figure so formed is a circle with radius 5 centimeters. So sixth point, you can say that AB is the diameter and which is equal to 10 centimeters. We have got diameter as 10 centimeters. So this is the construction for this problem, children. Please note it down. Second problem. Now children, third problem. Sorry. You have to draw a circles, four circles of radii, 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 6 centimeters with same center P. So if you take center P and draw the circles, you will be getting circles like this, children. Since this is whiteboard, it's very slippery. I tried my level best to give the circles, but if you do it in your book, you will be getting very clearly all the four circles. So here the different radii. So here PQ is 2 centimeters and PR is second circle, that is 3 centimeters as radius, and PS is equal to 4 centimeters as radius you have drawn, and PT is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is what the constructions you have done, and these are the radii which you have got for this figure, children. So this is how you need to do. There is no steps needed because consecutive circles, these are all means one upon the other, concentric we call them as. You will understand about this in your higher classes, but this is these are all called concentric, means if they have single center we call them as concentric. All the four circles are having only one center P. So P as center 2 centimeters, one circle, and P as center 3 centimeters. I have drawn another circle. P as center 4 centimeters as radius, and P as center 5 centimeters as radius. This is how you are getting the figure. Please note it down. You may not find it properly because it's a whiteboard and it is slippery. So you do it in your classwork, you will be getting correctly. Now the fourth question is, draw any circle and mark 3 points ABC such that A is on the circle, B is interior to the circle, C is exterior to the circle. So A is on the circle. Let me take this as a circle with center O. What is that? Point A is on the circle. So let me write this is point A which is on the circle, and B is interior to the circle. At any point, interior means inside. B you have to keep, and C is exterior to the circle. Outside the circle is C. Exterior means outside, interior means inside. Interior means inside the circle, and exterior means outside the circle. So with this you have to construct the any circle with any radius, means what is the radius is not important. With any radius you can draw a circle and look at the points like this, children. So please note it down. With this I am concluding my part today. In the next class I will be doing the next part.